What's up, HGTV? I'm Ben Napier from HGTV's hometown.
And I'm Jay Pickens from HGTV digital series CJ Work. Welcome to my woodshop.
This is my woodshop.
It's ours.
Today, we're gonna see who's the best woodworker to rule all the woodworkers.
I just want to be friends. I just want to hug. I don't want to compete. Wow.
What do you think?
Ouch.
So the challenge is, we're gonna turn baseball bats.
So that's why you had me bring these tools that I'm now holding like
You
a little
could have
baby?
used mine. I invited Jason down and I told him, you know, we were gonna need some turning knives, and he was like, oh, cool, I'll bring mine. You know, because the ones in Mississippi aren't good enough.
I thought you just wanted to check out my amazing tool collection.
They are pretty nice.
Yeah, I know.
I've got maple and ash.
Okay.
So you can have your pick. We're gonna be judged on our bats, but then we're also gonna go to a little baseball park and have a little home run derby.
Get out. Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Maple or ash? Would you like a history lesson?
Yes, please.
Forever, ash was the bat.
Yes.
It was the wood.
Yes.
Then a little feller by the name of Barry Bonds broke the record with a maple bat. Now over 50% of the bats in the league are maple.
Then I will immediately be the underdog and take ash.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I'm ready for this. Ladies and gentlemen, forget about the first guy who enters because it's the second guy who's gonna win.
I think the timer starts when I start turning.
That's fine. If that's how you want to roll here in Mississippi. I see how it is. You didn't even set this up. Yours is like all nice
Mine's
and
ready to go.
Pshaw, pshaw. I mean, everything was really laid out nicely, and I didn't have to do any work on the machine that he gave me. Does it even turn on, I wonder? Oh, good man. All right.
See, I helped you a little bit.
What a nice guy.
You good?
I think so. 1 hour. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Start your engines. Thank you. They say there's no crying in baseball, but I'm beginning to wonder if there's crying in baseball bat turning.
It's pretty long, so the longer the piece, kind of the slower you have to do something like this to keep all that chatter out of it.
So are you saying you're not used to working with such a long piece of wood?
You know, yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. Some of us make it work with what we have. How you doing there, buddy?
I'm about ready. What about you?
I'm pretty close.
What is that? Is that some kind of New York Knickerbocker cheating technique y'all got?
I believe.
Time's up.
Wow, nice. You got all the way to smoothing it out.
Jeez, you are really roughing it out here. You sweating?
Woo!
Your hair's getting blown around. I never knew Jason could sweat. He's always so perfect and put together. I think he's nervous, and he should be. All right, let's cut these out, get ourselves cleaned up and ready for the diamond.
Yeah! Let's do it. Yeah! Ha! To the fields! We got the emeralds here. Yeah! Woo! Y'all better come in. Scotsman Co's up to bed. Everybody come in. Closer. Y'all might want to just line this circle right here.
In all seriousness, you really do want to move in.
Oh! Oh!
Throw me a slow one, Will.
You want to use a real bat?
I got it.
Come on, Big! Hit it!
Yeah, go! And now, J, Pickens!
Oh!
I think the bat is supposed to hit the ball.
I think you're right. Oh! Ah! No!
Come on, come on! Come back, Jason!
Yeah! Get him! Oh! Yes! Oh! Thank you, sir.
I did really good in the actual home run derby.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Is that right? That's not how we're remembering it.
At least my bat was prettier.
Is that, you think so? Come on. The game was to win the home run derby, not
I thought that the game was to turn something pretty
It's a classic mix-up right there. Classic mix-up.
every time.